Welcome to 9th Bangladesh Buildcon International Expo 2025, the country's largest showcasing platform of construction tools, building materials, smart technologies, interiors and machineries. From power tools to concrete solutions, construction equipment to interiors and finishes, discover innovations from over 100 leading local and international exhibitors. This is the must-attend event for real estate developers, contractors, architects, engineers, and interior designers. Join us from September 25th to 27th at International Convention City Bashundhara, Dhaka. Connect, explore, and grow with Bangladesh's fastest-growing construction marketplace. We warmly invite you to be part of the Buildcon Experience 2025.